Welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today we're tackling the 5 silent mistakes that ruin container gardens. If your potted veggies look sad or stunted, chances are one of these is the culprit. I ran an experiment: 10 identical tomato plants, 5 with perfect care, 5 with a common mistake each. The results? Dramatic. We'll break down each mistake, show you the side-by-side results, and give you the science-backed fix. Remember, container gardening isn't about luck. It's about understanding the unique needs of plants in pots. In a container, you control everything: water, air, food, and space. Get it right, and your plants thrive. Get it wrong, and the whole system collapses. Let's start with the foundation: your container. Ready to decode the secrets? Let's dig in. Mistake number 1. The wrong container. Size matters. Small pots stunt roots and growth. Think shoes 3 sizes too small. For most veggies, use a pot at least 12-18 inches deep and wide, 5 gallons or more. Drainage is critical. One tiny hole isn't enough. Roots drown without oxygen. Drill 4 or 5 half-inch holes in the bottom. Skip the gravel myth. It makes drainage worse. Want an upgrade? Try fabric pots. They're breathable, prevent overwatering, and stop roots from circling. Fabric pots encourage a dense, healthy root system and are forgiving for beginners. In short, bigger pot, more holes, better roots. Don't let your container become a prison. Give your plants room to thrive. Next up, what you put inside that pot matters just as much. Let's talk soil. Transition. End of scene. Mistake 2. Using garden dirt in your pots. Garden soil compacts in containers, suffocating roots and trapping water. Hello, root rot. The fix? Use a soilless potting mix light, fluffy and drains well. Buy a mix labeled for containers, or make your own: 40% compost, 30% coconut coir, 20% perlite, 10% worm castings or aged manure. This blend gives roots air, moisture, and nutrients. No more concrete blocks. Remember, potting mix, not garden dirt. Your plants will thank you with healthy growth. Now, let's tackle watering, another common pitfall. Transition. End of scene. Mistake 3. Watering wrong, too much or too little. Pots dry out fast, but overwatering is just as deadly as drought. Don't guess, use your finger, stick it 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, water deeply until it drains out the bottom. If it's moist, wait. Shallow, frequent watering leads to weak roots and root rot. Always water thoroughly, then let the soil dry before watering again. Add a layer of mulch to slow evaporation and keep roots cool. This simple routine prevents most watering disasters. Next, let's feed those hungry plants. Transition. End of scene. Scene transition. Mistake 4. Starving your plants. In pots, nutrients wash out fast. Even the best potting mix runs out of food in a few weeks. Solution? Feed every 2-3 weeks with a balanced liquid organic fertilizer, fish emulsion, seaweed, or a veggie blend. Don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer burns roots and causes salt buildup. Watch for yellow leaves, hungry, or burnt tips, white crust, overfed. Water with plain water between feedings to flush excess salts. Consistent, balanced feeding keeps your plants productive. Now let's make sure your plants get enough sun. Transition. End of scene. Mistake 5. Not enough sunlight. Most container crops need 6-8 hours of direct sun daily. Less light means weak, spindly plants and poor harvests. Don't guess. Track the sun in your chosen spot throughout the day. If you can't get enough sun, move your pots or choose shade-tolerant crops like lettuce, spinach, or herbs. Match the plant to the place, not the other way around. Sunlight is your plant's fuel. Don't let them run on empty. With the right spot, your container garden will flourish. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. Transition. End of scene. Container gardening is all about precision. Right pot, right soil, smart watering, regular feeding, and plenty of sun. Fix these 5 mistakes and you'll see healthier plants and bigger harvests. Like and subscribe to Decoded for more soil smart tips. I'm the Soil Doctor. See you next time. Remember, success is science, not luck. Share your questions and garden wins in the comments. Happy gardening.